Closed-form construction of Voronoi diagrams with star-shaped metrics. Cellular patterns from planar ornaments to architectural surfaces and mechanical metamaterials blend aesthetics with functionality. Homogeneous patterns like isohedral tilings offer simplicity and symmetry, but lack flexibility, particularly for heterogeneous designs. The space of patterns induced by Voronoi diagrams is far more flexible. This is especially true for generalized Voronoi diagrams with redefined distance metrics. One approach is to define the distance measure by its level set, which has evolved from circles to general convex shapes to non-convex star-shaped measures, which open a rich space of possible cell shapes. This work presents a novel, closed-form construction of Voronoi diagrams with star-shaped metrics. At the core of our approach, we partition the space around Voronoi sites into generalized cones, which divide the metric polytope into linear segments. Within the intersection of two specific cones, the Voronoi bisector of the two sites is linear, and we compute it in closed form. The Voronoi vertices are also computed in closed form as intersections between bisectors or between bisectors and boundary features. We construct the diagram incrementally, starting from known vertices and edges of the bounding geometry, and tracing along boundary edges and Voronoi bisectors to identify new vertices until the diagram is complete. This approach extends readily to higher dimensions, which we illustrate with restricted Voronoi diagrams on 3D surfaces. Our closed-form construction also enables computing derivatives of the Voronoi diagram, allowing gradient-based optimization of mechanical metamaterials. One feature of star-shaped distance measures is that Voronoi cells can have disconnected components. This can be used to our advantage to produce complex and aesthetic tilings. However, we also provide a robust method for removal of unwanted disconnected components. We demonstrate our method on a diverse set of 3D surfaces, with results featuring smoothly graded patterns achieved by interpolating between distance measures. As can be seen from these examples, star-shaped metric Voronoi diagrams are a rich design space to be explored, and we provide the tools to do this.